Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce on the market and look for something to do. Hopefully, everybody had a good Thanksgiving, stuffed themselves. The market was a short week, so not a lot happened, but overall, pretty obvious to see in the last month, for whatever reason, the world thinks everything is getting better and the market has been shooting up to the moon, which means volatility has been dropping. This is the S&P 500. Let's go over and look at the NASDAQ. Again, always looks fairly similar. These things tend to move together for the most part. Shooting up to the moon. Volatility is getting crushed. The Russell is the only one that's lagging. You can see the other ones are at highs. This one obviously is not. This one is rebounding, but still much less, and volatility is still decent over here. So what are we going to trade this week? Well, if you've been watching the Bitcoin market at all, for whatever reason here as well, Bitcoin has been shooting up to the moon over the last month as well, along with the market. They seem to go hand in hand, so at least for now they move together as well. The S&P 500, NASDAQ, Bitcoin all seem to kind of feed off each other. And if we go to the Bitcoin ETF, which is the only way I know how to trade Bitcoin, you can see it mimics it exactly, but also look at this. Look where volatility is over here. It's way up high. So this seems like a good thing to trade. And what we're going to do is, because it's at kind of highs, as a contrarian, we're going to assume from here on in it's going to hopefully level off and maybe go down from here. So I'm going to skew the iron condor, which means I'm going to put the call side closer to the stock price of the put side, with the assumption that there's a better chance of it going down than up. So let's take a look and see how we do that. So let's go over to the trade page. You can see the price is at $19. We're going to go to the monthly expiration cycle because it's the most liquid. 54 days, it'll be 53 tomorrow. I've already set this up to save us the trouble, and here's what I mean by skewed. So the price is 19. We're going to put the call side $2 away, and we're putting the put side $3 away, with the assumption again that it kind of levels off here and probably starts to trickle down over the next 53 days. And then we're going to buy the call and the put $2 away, and as long as this collects at least 66 cents or more, this is a valid trade. So everything being the same, in BITO tomorrow, if the stock price opens right here, we're going to go $2 away on the call side, $3 away on the put side, and look to collect 66 cents or more, and that will be the valid trade in Bitcoin for tomorrow. Hang on for now because we got a couple of Black Friday sales still going on to the end of the month, so you're going to want to watch that. Otherwise, have a great holiday season. Hello, everybody, and welcome to my Black Fridays sale. And the reason I'm saying Fridays is because for the whole month of November, you will have access to all my private courses over here on the left-hand side that you never get to see throughout the year. These are all advanced courses for the most part, so you want to be kind of fluent in verticals and iron condors possibly before you get into these. But if you want them in your back burner and just have them in your pocket even if you're not ready, then now's the time to buy them because I'll be having a sale all this month. This is covered calls right here. This is your guide to getting started in naked options. This is Strangles and Straddles. These terms might not mean anything to you now, but they will after you take these courses. This course is all about rolling. This is about trading earnings. And this right here is my brand new course that I haven't put out anywhere yet. This is ratio spreads, which is actually the pros' go-to strategy. All professionals, for the most part, trade ratio spreads. So if you're into the naked option game or you want to learn more how to advance your future and how to create more income, these courses are going to be right up your alley. So how do I get access to them? Well, you're going to download in the resources section under this little video here, this page. All these are links. So all you have to do is press on these icons, and when it takes you there, type in the sharpertrades.com password right here. That's the password, sharpertrades.com. And all these courses, which are normally over $100, will be available to you for only $12.99 for the entire month of November. Please enjoy them, take advantage of them. Have a great 2023, and thanks for being one of my students. Take care.